materia.
Excuse me? You mean to say that these savages have gone to all this trouble for materia?
So far as we can tell, yes.
How very dull. Be that as it may, I suppose I should talk to them.
Ma'am.
Enjoying yourselves, I trust? Awed by a simple hologram? How precious. But I know just what you need to loosen up a little. After such a long journey, you must be so tense. Luckily, I have toys for that. All far more entertaining than this.
What do you want?
Oh dear. Is that any way to talk to your host? Really, though. As guests, it's more about what you want, and I think you'll find it just up ahead. Hurry now. Don't keep me waiting.
So, boss, what are you thinking?
That we're walking into a trap, I guess. But it's nothing we can't handle, right?
Couldn't have said it better myself.
state-of-the-art weapons testing facility. This is where we push every piece of ordnance to its limits, and beyond. Such tests are an invaluable part of the development process. Go on, see where the magic happens.
Commencing ordnance testing. Select ordnance type to deploy for this trial. Selection confirmed. Initiating ordnance deployment procedure. Subjects approaching test site. Test will begin momentarily. Beginning analysis.
Shabby, Sonon.
Back at you, boss.
Analysis concluded. Continuing trial. Select ordnance type to deploy for this trial. Selection confirmed. Initiating ordnance deployment procedure. Subjects approaching test site. Test will begin momentarily. Beginning analysis.
Come on.
Continuing trials. Select ordnance type to deploy for this trial. Selection confirmed. Initiating Ordnance Deployment Procedure. Subjects approaching test site. Test will begin momentarily. Beginning analysis.
How do you like this? Now you're in for it! You're going down! Run like a chocobo? Gotcha! With the power of his prophet! Not too shabby, Sonon.
Analysis concluded. Continuing trial. Select ordnance type to deploy for this trial.
Gotcha!
Selection confirmed. Initiating ordnance deployment procedure. Subjects approaching test site. Test will begin momentarily. Beginning analysis.
You're going down! Gotcha! How do you like this? Seriously? You're going down! Blood and thunder! How do you like this? Let's hustle! You're going down! Ready?
You called?
Stop now!
pleasure.
Analysis concluded. Beginning final test. Selection confirmed. Initiating ordnance deployment procedure. Subjects approaching test site. Test will begin momentarily.